Welcome to RB Healthy Zone. In today's videos, we will compare two popular exercises, cycling and skipping, to see which one is better for melting belly fat. So you stay tuned to find out which exercise can help you achieve your fitness goal faster. Let's watch full video. So let's start by looking at the calories burned. Cycling at the moderate pace can burn around 400 to 600 calories per hour, depending on your weight and intensity. On the other hand, skipping can burn approximately 500 to 700 calories per hour. So in the term of calories burn, skipping might have a slight edge. When it comes to the muscle engagement, cycling primarily targets your lower body, quads, hamstrings, glutes and calves. So skipping, however, is a full body workout that engages your legs, core and even your upper body. So this one providing a more comprehensive muscle engagement. You know one thing, accessibility and equipments are also important factors. So cycling requires a bike and often access to the road or trails. So whereas skipping only requires a jump rope and a small space, so this one is accessible for most people. If we see impacts on joints is another consideration. Cycling is a low impact exercise, making it suitable for people with joint issues. Is a high impact activity that can be taught on the knee and ankle if not done properly. So in conclusion, both cycling and skipping are excellent exercises for burning calories and losing belly fat. So your choice should depend on your personal preferences, fitness level and any physical limitations. Remember, consistency is a key in any fitness journey. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.